Ayan, malapit na po kami makita sa malapit. Nasa malaking electric fan and the Ilocos Banggi windmills. Yeah! Siya, wala pa siya. So excited! Welcome to Banggi, Ilocos Norte! Nandito na sa windmills! Wow! Oh my God! There you go.
Ating saksiyan.
Ganda naman ang beach dito.
So here already at the windmills in Banggi. Good job. Good job, good job.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.